Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're here with our future chefs, Renato and Gianluca. They're helping me cook. Today we're going to be making some chicken fingers for the boys, and while I'm making some chicken fingers, I'm going to do some breaded chicken cutlets for the adults too, because we're hungry as well. So we're going to jump right in. I have a bunch of chicken fingers. These are just chicken tenders over here. I have thin sliced chicken breast that I've pounded out. I'm going to show you how to pound one breast really fast. Like I said, this is a thin sliced breast. This is a meat tenderizer I'm going to use over here. What this is going to do is, one, it's going to make the chicken breast nice and even, but it's also going to break up any tendons and basically what they call tenderize the chicken. And that's pretty good. And I'm going to set up some breading, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So we're working on our chicken fingers first. I have some all-purpose flour, I have some eggs, and I have a mix of half breadcrumbs and half Panko breadcrumbs. Panko is a Japanese breadcrumb. These are flavored breadcrumbs. If you don't have flavored, you can just use regular. It doesn't make too much of a difference. I like the Panko because it gives like a really, really nice crunch to it. Over here, I have some salt, some pepper, some garlic. I'm just going to mix this up really well. We're going to put approximately half. We're not going to measure it, just approximately half into here. And we're going to put the other half into here. And you guys are going to mix this up as good as you can. You can use both hands if you want. It's really important to season both your flour and your breadcrumbs, as if you don't season your chicken will be very, very, very bland. So that's the first thing. Other thing, if you want a spicy chicken, like some people like spicy, add some cayenne pepper to it. So a small amount of cayenne. Don't go crazy unless you like really spicy. But if you add some cayenne, it'll give it some spice. So, all right. So you're going to be doing flour. You're going to be doing the egg. I'm going to do the breadcrumb. I'm going to show you what to do with one. So this is a chicken finger. You're just going to cover the whole thing and then bang it a little bit. That's your job. And then you're going to drop in the egg. Your job is going to be to take it both sides of the egg, let it drip for a minute, not a full minute, just a couple seconds, and you're going to drop in there. And then I'm going to cover it. How's that sound? Good. Let's begin. Good. Perfect. That's good. All right. Now we're moving. Dinner's going to be ready in no time.
Chef Rich, I have a question for you.
Yeah?
What happens if you're about to sneeze?
Well, whenever you have to sneeze in the kitchen, you always sneeze directly into the food. Why? Because the food always needs more seasoning. That's a joke, guys. If you ever have to sneeze, you always sneeze into your shoulder. You turn away and you sneeze into your shoulder, okay? Sounds good?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So our chicken fingers and our chicken breasts are all breaded, and now we're going to start frying. I have just maybe 1/3 of an inch of oil. It's just regular vegetable oil. It's pretty hot. The way that you can tell if it's hot, if you take some breadcrumbs and drop it in, and it sizzles like that, you know it's hot. If you drop it in and it's kind of dead, then it's not hot. Once it's brown on one side, we're going to just flip it over. Oops. So over here, I have 3 layers of paper towel. The reason why I do 3 layers of paper towel is because it absorbs at least most of the grease. I love chicken cutlets. I don't like greasy chicken cutlets. So flip it over one more time. That side's definitely done. That side's done. That side's definitely done. You want to try to shake some of the oil off. You always want to be careful because the oiling, You always want to be really careful because the oil is burning hot. And also you want to try to fill up your pan as much as possible. Not overflowing with your pan, but you want it to be filled. So the best part about this video, in about 10 minutes, we all get to have our dinner. Guys, do you like chicken fingers?
Yes.
So you're looking forward to it, huh?
Yeah.
So our breaded chicken cutlets are done frying. I put the chicken fingers over here, the breaded chicken cutlets over here. And would you like to try? Go ahead. I want to try our chicken fingers. Really good. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Be well.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're here. If you like this video, actually hold that thought. If you like that, one more time. But no, that's
That
fine.
should be for bloopers.
That's for bloopers.
bloopers.
Yep.
Take two.
Take two. I'll try one too. Even though this is a kid's food.
Really.
This is stuff you're supposed to win for me.
It seemed like too long.
All right.